Hey everyone, Scott Lesenby here from the Lotte Hotel in Seoul. This is actually the Executive Tower, and I don't even know if that's how you pronounce the name of the hotel. It's late, I'm tired, I've been traveling all day, but I believe this is the Lotte. There's the name of it right there. I know I could have done some research before I made this video, but who's got time for that? I just want to show you the room, and a nice room it is. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It's a lot smaller than I was expecting. I don't actually even remember making this reservation. I remember booking this hotel and booking a room in the executive suite, or the executive tower, sorry. But I thought I was booking some sort of a suite or a bigger room, but this is most definitely not that. It's nice though. And I know I say that in all my hotel reviews, but this is definitely worthy of being called nice. It's a little bit stylish. It's a little bit, I don't know what the name for this is. I can't quite tell what the vibe is. There is a lot of alcohol though. It's not only is there hard liquor right here, there's some wine up there as well. So they want you to drink, and they want you to pay for snacks too. All kinds of snacks here, and then more drinks down there. Champagne, beer. Yeah, they want you to have a good time. Got a big desk here. It's nice. Big TV. And then on the other side of that wall is the bathroom. And I got a room with a king-size bed, which takes up pretty much the entire room. But it's okay. It's just me, so I don't need a whole lot of space. Anyway, just quickly before we go on, if you want to know exactly how I'm able to travel so often, if you want to get the inside scoop, sign up for my newsletter. The link is in the description below. And I'll share with you all the tips and tricks I have for traveling as frequently as I do all around the world. So, okay, continuing on with the review, you've got the bathroom. This is kind of interesting. It's actually broken up into 3 separate rooms. So you have the main part of the bathroom here, and then you've got a toilet area with an open bottom there. It's kind of like a public restroom. And pretty simple. It's got its own little space. You hear that? It's making noises. I'm not sure what's going on there. We'll find out later. But over here is the bathtub and the shower. It's a really nice sized shower there, and I believe this door shuts. It does, but all this is open here, so all this cold air is going to go in. I'm not looking forward to that. And then you can kind of see through this window here. It's got the louvers. You could open that up, and you can see right through to the room. So it's just me, so I'm probably going to open that thing up, get more space, and make it look like I have more space. So yeah, a nice little shower head there, and a spigot, and a deep tub. That's kind of nice. Yeah, so overall, this is a decent sized room, and I do need to show you the view because this is a 20th floor room, 22nd floor, I forget. It's 20 something. And we're right in the middle of central Seoul. And if I can get here and get rid of all there we go. You can kind of see how close we are. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to turn off all the lights right now. Hold on. Okay, well, that didn't really do all that much. But yeah, we are right in the heart of Seoul. This is cool. I'm going to have a good time walking around tomorrow and checking all that out. Yeah, I mean, if you want to be right in the middle of all the action, this is definitely the place you want to be. So anyway, as always, if you have any questions or comments, do leave them down in the comment section below. I will get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.